Top 5 Natural Detox Drinks for Cleansing the Body. 1. Lemon Honey Detox Water. Lemon and honey detox water is one of the simplest yet most effective drinks to naturally cleanse your body. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and citric acid, all of which play a vital role in detoxifying the body. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent that supports digestion and immunity. When combined, these two ingredients create a powerful drink that not only removes toxins but also provides sustained energy. One of the major benefits of lemon water is that it helps to alkalize the body. Although lemons are acidic in nature, once metabolized, they have an alkalizing effect on the blood. This helps maintain the body's pH balance, reducing acidity and preventing issues like acid reflux and heartburn. Drinking lemon and honey water first thing in the morning ensures that your digestive system starts the day in an optimal state. Another amazing advantage of this drink is its ability to boost metabolism and support weight loss. Lemon enhances enzyme function, allowing the liver to detoxify more effectively, while honey provides a steady release of energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Additionally, this drink promotes hydration, which is essential for efficient fat metabolism. For people struggling with digestive issues, such as constipation or bloating, lemon water can work wonders. It stimulates the production of bile, which helps break down food and improves the absorption of nutrients. The mild laxative effect of lemon water also helps prevent sluggish digestion, promoting regular bowel movements. Aside from its internal benefits, lemon and honey detox water is excellent for skin health. The high vitamin C content in lemons helps brighten the skin, reduce acne scars, and prevent premature aging. Honey's antibacterial properties also support clear skin by reducing bacterial growth that can cause pimples and breakouts. This detox drink is also a great way to strengthen immunity. Lemon is packed with antioxidants and natural antiviral compounds that help fight infections. Honey further enhances the immune response by reducing inflammation and soothing the throat, making this drink an excellent remedy for colds and flu. For those who experience frequent fatigue or low energy, lemon and honey water is an ideal natural energy booster. Unlike caffeinated drinks, which can cause energy crashes, this detox drink provides a steady release of energy while keeping the body hydrated. Another lesser-known benefit of this drink is its ability to freshen breath naturally. The acidity in lemon helps kill bacteria in the mouth that cause bad breath, while honey soothes the throat and prevents dryness. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning ensures fresh breath throughout the day. To prepare this drink, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and stir well. For additional benefits, you can also add a pinch of cinnamon, mint leaves, or chia seeds. Drinking this every morning for a month can significantly improve digestion, skin health, and overall well-being. Lemon and honey detox water is more than just a temporary cleanse, it's a long-term wellness habit that can enhance metabolism, improve skin, and promote better digestion. Including this drink in your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step toward better health. 2. Green Tea Detox Drink. Green tea is one of the most well-known detox beverages, packed with antioxidants, catechins, and polyphenols that help cleanse the liver, improve digestion, and boost metabolism. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits, and today, it remains one of the best natural drinks for detoxification. One of the key components of green tea is catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that aid in removing harmful toxins from the body. These compounds help the liver break down and flush out toxins more efficiently, reducing the risk of oxidative stress and inflammation. Green tea is also a natural metabolism booster. The presence of caffeine and catechins enhances fat oxidation and promotes weight loss. Many studies have shown that drinking green tea regularly can increase calorie burning by up to 4%, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight naturally. Another advantage of green tea is its ability to reduce bloating. It has mild diuretic properties that help eliminate excess water retention and improve digestion. If you often feel bloated after meals, a cup of green tea can help soothe the stomach and reduce discomfort. In addition to digestive benefits, green tea is great for heart health. The antioxidants present in green tea help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve good cholesterol, HDL, levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. Drinking green tea also has a positive effect on brain function and mental clarity. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine enhances cognitive function, improving focus, concentration, and alertness without the jittery effects of coffee. For those looking for clearer and healthier skin, green tea is an excellent choice. The high levels of polyphenols in green tea help fight free radicals that cause aging and skin damage. Drinking green tea regularly can help reduce acne, control oil production, and improve skin texture. Green tea is also beneficial for regulating blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that the catechins in green tea help improve insulin sensitivity, making it a great beverage for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. To prepare green tea for detoxification, steep a green tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. You can enhance its benefits by adding a squeeze of lemon, a teaspoon of honey, or a few slices of ginger for additional detox properties. Drinking 2 to 3 cups daily can have a significant impact on overall health. Green tea is a simple yet highly effective drink that supports detoxification, weight management, heart health, and brain function. By making it a part of your daily routine, you can experience long-term benefits that go beyond just cleansing the body. 3. Cucumber Mint Detox Water. Cucumber and mint detox water is a refreshing and hydrating drink that helps cleanse the body, improve digestion, and promote glowing skin. Cucumbers are composed of over 90% water, making them an excellent ingredient for flushing out toxins and keeping the body hydrated. Mint, on the other hand, aids in digestion and provides a cooling effect, making this drink perfect for hot weather. One of the key benefits of this detox drink is its ability to support digestion. Mint stimulates the digestive enzymes that break down food and help in better nutrient absorption. If you often suffer from bloating or indigestion, drinking cucumber and mint water can provide quick relief. Cucumber is also rich in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help fight free radicals in the body. These antioxidants reduce inflammation, support the immune system, and promote healthy skin. For those who want clear and youthful skin, this detox drink works wonders. The high water content in cucumbers helps maintain skin hydration, while mint provides antibacterial properties that help prevent acne and breakouts. Drinking this regularly can result in a more even skin tone and reduced puffiness. Cucumber and mint detox water is also a natural diuretic, meaning it helps the body eliminate excess fluids and toxins through urine. This makes it an effective drink for reducing water retention and bloating, making you feel lighter and healthier. If you are trying to lose weight naturally, cucumber and mint detox water is a great addition to your routine. Cucumbers contain very few calories but are packed with fiber, which helps control appetite and prevent overeating. Mint also aids in breaking down fats and improving metabolism. This detox drink is also beneficial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Cucumbers contain potassium, which helps regulate sodium levels in the body and prevent high blood pressure. Drinking this water regularly can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system, In addition to its internal benefits, this drink is great for oral health. Mint leaves contain antibacterial compounds that help freshen breath and prevent oral infections. Drinking cucumber and mint water throughout the day ensures better breath and improved dental hygiene. To prepare this detox drink, slice one cucumber and add a handful of fresh mint leaves into a jug of water. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight for maximum benefits. You can also add lemon slices or a pinch of black salt for enhanced flavor and benefits. This drink is perfect for daily hydration, digestion support, and overall body cleansing. It is light, refreshing, and packed with nutrients that contribute to overall health. Including cucumber and mint detox water in your daily routine is an easy step toward a healthier lifestyle. 4. Apple Cider Vinegar Detox Drink. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, detox drink is widely known for its ability to boost metabolism, improve digestion, and cleanse the body. ACV contains acetic acid, which plays a crucial role in breaking down toxins, reducing bloating, and supporting weight loss. One of the most well-known benefits of ACV is its ability to aid weight loss. Acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps increase fat burning, suppress appetite, and improve metabolism. Several studies have shown that consuming ACV before meals can help reduce overall calorie intake. This detox drink is also highly effective for regulating blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar helps improve insulin sensitivity, making it a great choice for people with diabetes or those looking to prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. For those struggling with digestive issues, ACV can be very beneficial. It increases stomach acid production, which helps break down food and prevent bloating, indigestion, and acid reflux. Drinking ACV before meals can significantly improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Apple cider vinegar is also a powerful detoxifier for the liver. It helps flush out toxins and supports liver function by reducing fat accumulation in the liver. This makes it an excellent drink for overall body cleansing. Another major advantage of ACV is its ability to improve skin health. It contains natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that help fight acne, reduce inflammation, and balance the skin's pH. Drinking ACV regularly can result in clearer and healthier skin. ACV is also beneficial for improving gut health. It contains probiotics and enzymes that support a healthy gut microbiome. A well-balanced gut is essential for overall health, including immunity, mental clarity, and digestion. To prepare this drink, mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water. You can add honey, lemon, or cinnamon for added benefits and a better taste. Drink it once a day, preferably in the morning, for best results. This detox drink is a powerful addition to any health regimen, as it supports digestion, weight loss, blood sugar control, and overall detoxification. However, it is important to consume it in moderation, as excessive intake can lead to acidity issues. 5. Turmeric Ginger Detox Tea. Turmeric and ginger detox tea is a powerful anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting drink. Both turmeric and ginger have been used in traditional medicine for centuries due to their strong healing and detoxifying properties. Turmeric is known for its active compound, curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It helps reduce chronic inflammation in the body, making this drink highly beneficial for people suffering from arthritis, joint pain, or inflammatory conditions. Ginger, on the other hand, is an excellent natural remedy for digestive health. It helps relieve nausea, improves digestion, and promotes better absorption of nutrients. If you often experience stomach discomfort, ginger can help soothe the digestive system. One of the best benefits of this detox tea is its ability to boost the immune system. Both turmeric and ginger have antimicrobial properties that help fight off infections, making this drink great for preventing colds and flu. For those who experience frequent bloating and gas, this tea is an excellent remedy. Ginger helps relax the stomach muscles, reducing bloating and discomfort. Turmeric further supports liver function, aiding in toxin removal. This detox tea also promotes better blood circulation. Ginger helps increase blood flow, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered more efficiently throughout the body. This results in improved energy levels and overall well-being. Another important benefit of turmeric and ginger tea is its role in brain health. Curcumin in turmeric has been shown to improve memory, reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease, and enhance mental clarity. Drinking this tea regularly can support long-term brain health. To prepare this detox tea, boil 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in 2 cups of water. Let it simmer for 5–10 minutes, then strain and add lemon and honey for taste. Drink it warm for maximum benefits. This tea is a simple yet effective way to reduce inflammation, boost immunity, support digestion, and detoxify the body. Including it in your routine can help improve overall health and vitality.